Alright guys, today I'm going to do a short video to help with setting your fast guns, how we do it on our unit. So this is for Patrick and Ellie and Peanut. You guys have asked about this a couple of times. I'm finally getting around to it. So we use this extension that Torklift supplies with the fast guns. This just helps to allow this for better access when tightening it down so that you're not hitting the truck. It also kind of helps it streamline it a little bit. So we hook it at the top and open this all the way so you have full stretch. And then determining your length, we take the bottom, and when it's ready to install and open, this will line up with the hole that you're putting it in. We use the back hole on the front so that we're pulling that weight forward to keep it in place. And then once it's set to that length, you want to put your washer right at the bottom of the body of the fast gun. So once that's in place, then you grab your handle and just pull this tight. So you'll notice there's quite a bit of pressure on that. Inside here is a die spring. This rubber washer that they provide in the front, we like this about 3/8 of an inch as far as distance when the fast gun is closed, so that you know that that's the right tension. With the fast gun, you shouldn't have to adjust it very often, but we usually say, check it every once in a while, just make sure it hasn't come loose. Torklift supplies you with the ring that goes in here to keep it secure. Great option. Another option for security is to use a padlock. You can get a set of 4 at any hardware store. Usually they're keyed the same. This is just an alternative to the actual fast gun locks that Torklift supplies. You can use a long neck to go through both, or you can get a short padlock and just go through one side. So both are great for securing it in place. As far as travel, you don't have to worry about anything specific. With the locks, it's easiest if they're just keyed the same. On the back of the unit, we have the same process. On the back, we use the forward-facing one, just so that, again, it's pulling that weight forward. The back is not usually as tight as the front. So in the back, we go about 1/4 of an inch, just so there's less tension on the die spring. Biggest thing with the tie-downs in the back is this is to keep the back of the unit from bouncing when you're in off-road conditions. The majority of your security is on the front side of the unit. So this one's the same. We use the hook so that it's easier to access, run it to the front, and then this washer that they supply here is about 1/4 inch different. So hopefully that helps. If you guys have any questions, both sides are set the same. You can mark each one so that it's repetitive if you're taking it off, so you know which one is going, so you're not having to tighten each side. But if you have any questions, as always, let us know. Give us a call, shoot us an email. We're happy to help. Have a good weekend.